All right, Easter is just around the corner, but the Easter Bunny is at our doorstep. Good morning, Denise. You look adorable.
Hello. I have a second job today.
Hey, listen, I love it. You've got to have fun with this holiday, right?
Exactly. It's all about fun for the whole family.
Okay, so let's kick us off because you've been like our DIY expert for a while and you always do some fun things, whether it's filling the Easter basket, doing the crafts, you name it. Where do you want to begin today?
Absolutely. So let's start off with a fun craft that all the kids will love. This is a little DIY mini chick, and it's so easy to make. Kids of all ages will enjoy doing it. I just took some hard cardstock, cut into white. I wrap this with pipe cleaners, but you can wrap it with yellow yarn, and then just add some googly eyes, add some little feathers, and little beak, cut it out with more construction paper. So it's very easy to make, very cute to do. This is great to, get the kids excited for the Easter weekend that's coming up very soon.
Yeah, that will surely stir up the excitement, not to mention those little chicks are almost as adorable as you with those bunny ears. All right, you might be bringing a basket full of chocolates for us. I'm imagining so, because we can't do Easter without chocolate, right?
Exactly. What is Easter if there is no chocolate, whether it's the mini eggs or the cream eggs? Cadbury is synonymous with Easter. So these are perfect, whether you're building baskets or doing a hunt, or maybe it's just for a sweet moment, maybe an after dinner treat for everybody. Cadbury last year released their Micro Minis hollow egg. So this is a delicious egg that's hollow with the Micro Minis inside, and this year they released the Cadbury caramel buttons hollow egg. So same thing, but with their incredible caramel buttons inside. I don't know if you've tried these, but they are absolutely scrumptious. So good. It has to be Cadbury if it's Easter chocolate, and this is just such a nice treat. These are brand new this year, and you can find these at stores nationwide.
I love them. I have tried those caramel buttons, and let me tell you, they're dangerous. I thought the Easter little mini eggs were dangerous, but those other things, next level. All right.
They're very addictive.
Yes, exactly. We don't want to run out of time, and you've still got some great decor to share.
Absolutely. So finally, let's pull it all together with a beautiful display. This is all about presentation, about putting a little bit of extra to really make the little things magical. So whether you're filling a basket or creating a beautiful display, you don't have to stretch your budget when you shop at Giant Tiger. They have Easter essentials, everyday essentials at everyday low prices. Whether it's Easter decor, they've got toys and activities for kids too. They also have matching Easter pajamas for the whole family. My family loves the Giant Tiger pajamas. They're so soft and so comfortable. Always fun patterns. You can shop in store at Giant Tiger or online at gianttiger.com, and they always have excellent savings, Easter savings.
I love that. I also love the matching pajamas, and I'll tell you, we've got adult kids now, and we still make them dress up and do like the photo in all the matching pajamas. They cringe, and we love it.
That's what being a mom's all about. We're the parents, we're in charge forever.
Exactly, I love it. Thanks so much for all of these great ideas, Denise. Happy Easter to you.
Happy Easter, everyone.